Hello, my friends. It is Jennifer from Brooms by JENZA, and I am here at the Hen House in Chepachet, Rhode Island, and in this series where I talk about the different styles of brooms I make. And when I say broom, you're looking at what's in my hand, you're like, that's not a big broom that I'm going to sweep my floor with. As broom makers, we make a lot of different tools using broom corn. Broom corn is the substance that we use to make brooms. And yes, you think about the traditional big broom, but there's also little tools that can be used for that. So for example, this little guy here, or girl, is what's called a pot scrubber. And we're using it not with the swept part, but the more straight part of the broom corn. This is a natural pot scrubber. So you're going to take your cast iron, and this is what you are going to clean it with. It's usually two sides. One side you're going to find is a little bit of an angle, and the other side is going to be flat. And then there's usually some hook to hang it from. For this pot scrubber here, I did take some of the Herbal, or stalk if you would, and craft a little kind of handle to hold on to. But each broom maker is going to make it slightly different. So you might have this woven part here, you might just have twine right there. But you should always have a handle. So when you're cleaning your cast iron, you're going to have, a lot of people clean with say oil and salt. That's usually how I will clean. I'll heat it up on the stove a little bit, get the oil and the salt, but I want to scrub it a little bit more. And this gives me that scrubbing motion to go in and scrub the grits and the grime out of my cast iron. You would not want to use a pot scrubber on a non-stick pot. So cast iron, I've even done it like on stainless steel. You can do it. You can also use this to scrub whatever you need. There are similar ones to this that people will use in leather work when they're trying to get the wax into leather when they're doing that. So maybe you see this, you don't see, I think it's called a pela. I can't speak French. My grandpa did try so hard. But the pela, I'm saying it so wrong. I could spell it, but I'm gonna have it wrong. There's like a P, an I, an L, an S. Yeah, I wasn't prepared for that part. But you could use that in place of that one. That one's usually the wrapping, the binding is further up, but you could still use it with leather and wax working into the leather. Again, two sides. To clean, I'll usually take it, or disinfect. Take it by the handle, probably put it on a wooden spoon, put it in a boiling pot of water, hang it there for a minute or so, and pull it out, and then it's clean. Pot scrubber. It is just one of the little tools that us broom makers do make to help you in the household.